Have you ever thought of the smart, coolest gadgets in the construction sector? What do you think about their innovation and usage? In this video, we are going to unveil the coolest construction gadgets. Without further delay, let's begin. If we look at the aspect of modern life, it is impacted by technology. Technological advances improve everyday lives and production across a wide range of industries. These innovations have recently even extended to the construction sector, which isn't generally recognized for being technologically sophisticated. But that's all about to change and revolutionize construction technology. Some devices are changing the face of a sector that has long adhered to the manual, hammer and nails approach. But don't you think that we can ever mix technology and construction? If we see gadgets for the sake of gadgets, they are useless. The fact that new technologies cannot divert attention from the current task at hand is one of the reasons the construction sector has been hostile to them. They must be simple to use, increase output, and fit in smoothly with the typical workday. The stakes are too high to bother introducing any flashy new tools while the bugs are still being sorted out. Construction technology must serve a functional necessity rather than just being novel and inventive. Thankfully, the minds behind modern technology have a wealth of experience in taking on difficult issues and coming up with creative solutions. So, the following 7 construction gadgets have the potential to revolutionize the construction sector. The first one is a Bluetooth headset from Sonetics. Is it difficult for you to communicate during construction from faraway places? No worries. Teams may now securely communicate in the field without the use of foam earplugs, hand signals, or two-way radios thanks to Sonetics Bluetooth headsets. Users can communicate with one another and the boss through multiple channels. The headsets may be used for up to 2 miles, and you can adjust how much noise is transmitted by using the listen-through features. They are safe to use in any weather because of their weatherproof design. The second one is XOI Technology Safety Glasses. The protocols of many construction projects require safety eyewear. XOI Technology's smart safety glasses go above and beyond basic eye protection. These safety glasses feature a projected screen and cameras built right into them. Construction workers may carry out precise operations, such as using 3D mapping schematics while on the go when they have access to Wi-Fi. So what are the actual benefits of it? Reducing the amount of time needed to pause and review plans boosts efficiency and helps prevent expensive errors. The next one is a laser level. Yes, a standard level would do the trick, but why not attempt something a bit more espionage-oriented? So, using a laser in your everyday life will not only make you feel like Ethan Hunt, but it will also enable you to complete tasks without using your hands. It also saves you time at work. There are numerous varieties of laser levels with a range of features to select from. While some have more automatic features, others are intended to be manually modified. A line may be projected around an entire room by certain lasers, whereas others project crossbeams or dots as reference points. There's a laser level out there that is ideal for you, no matter what your contracting needs are. The next innovative gadget is Halo Light. It's too old to take the hands-free headlamps and the lighting materials with you, and in the construction sector, hands-free headlamps are nothing new. For years, both traditional headlamps and construction experts have been in use. The innovative technology of Halo Light transforms the use of this essential item. The Halo Light is a personal safety device made by Gear that is intended to fit securely over the crown of any hard hat. It increases worker visibility at night. So, what are the specifications of that Halo Light? Its rechargeable battery powers the Halo Light for up to 34 hours at a time, and it offers 360-degree vision for up to a quarter of a mile. The safety construction gadget helmet is there. The virtual reality is used by the smart helmet to improve worker capabilities. Construction workers can use it to summon up work instructions to display on its visor. Workers may quickly understand how a specific activity relates to the project as a whole by using this 4D approach, which rapidly places measurements and details in perspective. Guys, do you know its interesting feature? The smart helmet can record high-definition video, take pictures, record alphanumeric text, map in 3 dimensions, and more. It helps with data mining, compliance optimization, record keeping, and other things. Do you want to impress others at work? A high-tech equipment toolbox is there. A futuristic toolbox known as a cool box is introduced. It is one multi-purpose, high-tech device that works well. The Cool Box is a feature-rich device that works on rechargeable batteries. It has a USB connector, speakers, an LED light, a cooler, and a tablet stand. It also contains your tools too. Next is smart clothing wear. When it comes to preserving efficiency and raising job satisfaction, worker comfort and safety at work are critical. Dealing with what Mother Nature throws at you is one of the hardest parts of this. So what is the revolution with that aspect? Yes, clothing called smart clothing. Responsible clothing is made to adjust its temperature to each worker's specific body. The annoying one-size-fits-most philosophy seen in many other types of clothing is eliminated by the option to program this apparel according to each person's tastes. These days, smart clothes take safety issues into account in addition to comfort. Protective gloves that change color when handling poisonous substances. It was developed by German researchers in response to the growing risk of exposure to these substances. Moving forward to the next gadget, the laser scanners. Are you surprised by hearing the scanners for the construction purposes? Construction workers now have the resources they need to improve comprehension, productivity, quality assurance, and safety thanks to advanced laser scanners. The amazing feature of laser scanners is that they allow employees to capture 3D models, giving their mapping and documentation a depth that yet remains missing from images and films. The last one, and one of the most innovative gadgets, are the building drones. Drones are becoming more and more popular for a variety of uses. Their applications in the building sector are practically infinite. Drones can assist in the creation of contour maps, site plans, site surveys, model renderings, and other important real-time documentation, for instance, during the planning stage. It is also best during the construction phase. Workers use drones to visually inspect almost any section of the project and to continuously monitor its development. After the project is finished, making surveys with the drone can easily serve as documentation. One company has created a drone platform especially for use in the building sector. The drone can perform tasks like different surveys and automatically monitor hundreds of acres in a single flight, all without requiring human interaction. How can you use it? Just use the app to map the region you want to consider, and the drone will take care of the rest. The drone sends all of the data it has collected to the cloud platform so that it may be processed following the project's requirements. After all, construction devices successfully combine the technology with practical knowledge that is so important to the sector. Construction companies that integrate cutting-edge technology with their hands-on approach offer a multi-layered model that enables them to give more precise, comprehensive, and inventive services to their clients. What are your thoughts about these gadgets in the construction sector? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Until next time.